What we've learned as far as activities within a senior living community is going to Walmart and going, shopping. That's not an activity. That's something you want to do, and that's something we want to, be a part of, but that's not exactly an activity. So we want to have different groups come in the building and, for, us to have art classes, us to have, of course we'll have a movie theater within the community. So we want to have popcorn and movie night, or we want to watch the football games together. We want to do all that kind of stuff together. And we want to bring, again, the young generations and the older generations together to where both can learn from each other. What we have found is our residents always really like the younger generation. They love being around that generation. It kind of breathes life back into them. And so it's just really nice to bring those two together and to promote an activity that they can both do together, like such as a cooking class, or let's go out and let's garden, or let's take a walk, things like that.